Hello everyone, my name is Brenda Chen from Audfly Technology. I'm now with the InfoComm 2026. In this year, we are going to introduce you a very brand new audio technology. You can see from this whole large screen is the large screen with directional sound. You can see from the screen now we are divided into two parts. The left part is speaking Spanish and the right part is speaking English. They're totally different contents. And actually this kind of large screen can be divided as you like. We can divide it into three parts or four parts, horizontally or vertically. So with this new technology, we can create some we can create some independent sound zone in shared space, especially useful for the commercial settings. And we can also make sure the sound is going on and the sound is not disturbing the nearby areas. So this is a new technology we are going to bring at this InfoComm 2026 this year. My name is Brenda. I'm from Audfly Technology. If you want to know more information about this new technology, please email us. Our website is www.audflyspeaker.com. Thank you.